Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am working on the sawmill. So I'm going to be using the backhoe like I always do to put the logs on the sawmill, and then I'm gonna cut some lumber. So I hope you like my videos and thanks for watching, eh?
Welcome to Muddy Off Grid, eh?
Muddy Off Grid, eh? YouTube channel videos are for entertainment purposes only. If you engage in any of the activities shown in the Muddy Off Grid, eh? videos, do so at your own risk. Consult an expert before operating any tools, machinery, etc. shown in the videos.
This tree is stuck to the ground, still kind of frozen. Okay, well, if you're wondering what I'm doing right now, I'm just taking a break. Woohoo! I'm gonna start the engine. That didn't take long. I'm gonna let it warm up for maybe 10-15 minutes. So I'm going to start the backhoe again and then fix that tire. This is the grapple that I use to move the logs around. This thing works really well. I'm gonna leave it at 30. Okay, this lock on this end is about 6 inches and a quarter. Alright, so I think I'm going to cut this one 4x4, 10 feet long. Alright, my cell phone died, so I lost the last video. This tree was in diameter, say 6.5. From a 6.5 tree, I can basically get a 4x4. Okay, so I learned today that from a tree that is about 6.5 inches in diameter, I can get a 4x4. So, hey, that's pretty good. So, I finished this one now. I'm going to need a few of these because I want to build an extension to the lean-to that is behind the cabin. Anyway, I hope you like my video. There's gonna be a lot more of cutting lumber. I'm just too tired today, so I'm gonna take a break for today. Thanks for watching and subscribe, eh?